Learning to create beautiful photos and videos like this is actually much simpler than you might think. And today, I'm going to guide you on how to achieve the best results without stress. The good part is that I've already tested these platforms myself, so you don't have to go through all the trial and error again. Anyways, if this is your first time here, welcome to my humble abode. I'm Nyra, and it's really nice meeting you. Here on this channel, I tell stories, and I also teach you how to tell stories. So don't forget to subscribe and share so others can follow along too. Now let's dive into it, shall we? The number one platform I recommend is ChatGPT. And don't worry, you don't need to download anything to access it. Simply go to Google, type chatgpt.com, and click on the website. It will take you directly to this interface if you are already signed in. If not, then sign up. Now the next question is, what exactly do you want to create? For example, you can type, I want a prompt that will generate a very good photo of a male UGC creator that is neither dark nor light-skinned, wearing a beautiful white shirt with a black trouser and a nice shoe to go with it. Once you've read the prompt and you're satisfied with it, go ahead and copy it. Which brings us to platform number 2, Leonardo.ai. Now for this platform, you'll need to download it from your Play Store. After downloading, open and sign up with your email, and you'll be given 150 free tokens to start with. And the interesting part is that these tokens are renewed daily, whether it was used or not. Just note that the free version works best for generating single images. But if you're planning to create continuous movies or longer videos, you may need to upgrade. And I'll talk more about that in my next video, so make sure you have subscribed and turned on your notification bell. Now go ahead and click Generate. You'll see a space where you can paste your prompt. At the upper left side, you'll also see different generation models you can use for pictures and videos like Nano Banana, Lucid, GPT 1.5, and others. But for realistic pictures, I recommend selecting Lucid Realism. Paste your prompt in the provided space where you'll also see the amount of tokens required. Then simply click Generate. And just like that, 4 different variations of the image you asked for will be generated for you. Click on the one you like best, then tap the download arrow to save it. Note that you can save just one image or all for your choice. After that, head over to the next platform, which is Grok AI. On this platform, you can generate both pictures and videos. But personally, I prefer using it mainly for video generation, because the detailing in the motion is quite impressive. Right now, I'm accessing it through the website version. On the left side, you'll see an option called Imagine. Click on it, and it will open up to this interface. You can explore some of these example videos if you like too. Now, if you're using the free version, which is what I'm using right now, there are a few limits, which are, it can only generate 6-second video per generation. The quality is limited to only 480p. But don't worry. There's a simple trick we can use. Now follow closely, because if you blink, you might miss it. This last part is very crucial. Let's continue. Let's assume you want to create a video where the character is speaking for longer than 6 seconds. Here's the trick you can borrow. First, click on the video option. Then set your aspect ratio to either 9:16 for Reels, TikTok, and short-form content, or 16:9 for YouTube long-form videos. Next is to click on this icon here. 2 options will pop up. One is Edit Images. The second is Animate Images. Since we want to create a video, we'll select Animate Images. Then import the image you generated earlier using Leonardo.ai. You can actually import up to 7 images, but for now we are going with just 1. Next, type in the prompt box describing what the character will be doing and saying. For example, he is speaking with natural movements to express his words, first quotation mark. If you've ever wanted to create photos and videos like this but didn't know where to start, here's the good news. You can start for free, last quotation mark. And just like that, look at what we have.
If you've ever wanted to create photos and videos like this but didn't know where to start, here's the good news. You can start for free.
By the side, you will see the download option. Tap on it and it will download. After downloading the video to your phone, go to your gallery. Pause the video at the very last motion, Then take a screenshot of that frame. Now go back to Grok AI, import the screenshot, and paste the next prompt. Just remember to always begin the prompt with, "He is speaking with natural movements to express his words." Then add the next line she will say. What this screenshot does is maintain continuity, allowing the video to flow smoothly from one scene to the next.
If you ever wanted to create photos and videos like this but didn't know where to start, here's the good news. You can start for free. And today, I'm going to guide you on how to achieve the best results without stress.
Repeat this same process over and over again until the last script. And with that, I hope you learned something from this video and that I didn't bore you out. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments and I'll answer you there. You can also check the description box for more resources. I can't wait to see you in the next video. Also, make sure you have already subscribed and turn on your notification bell. And when you finally create your own video using this method, tag me so I can see it. Bye for now, and tell me in the comments what topic should I cover in my next video. This is the voice of Nyra.